What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Bliga, and welcome to the vlog. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe. I promise I'll provide nice content. And then if you're a 10 subscriber, thank you so much for staying with the journey, and obviously liking and obviously sharing this content with your friends. Yeah, today's video I just want to showcase to you the completed first floor wall of my building a village house project. So yeah, the guys have already they finished the wall plate of the first floor. So I just want to showcase that to you guys. So they're already done. Maybe just some small touch up that they still need to do, maybe in terms of the some small designs that at the back, but yeah, the guys are already done with building the walls. All the walls are finished, and obviously they already divided the wall panel and divided the rooms as well. Yeah, so everything is done within the wall panel. But yeah, I just want to showcase to you guys. Enjoy. Yeah, guys, so on this section of the blog of the vlog, as you can see, obviously I'm just showing case story. Obviously when the guys are finishing up the wall plates, obviously I think on my episode, building house episode, I think it's episode 6 or 7, yeah, where I showcase you obviously the updates of the building of the first floor wall. But yeah, this is now of them finishing up the wall plate of the first floor. As you can see, they're pushing the back, and obviously pushing up, obviously dividing the rooms, and obviously yeah, making sure that the wall reach the roof level, so that can obviously be ready for roofing as well. But yeah, as you can see, the guys are finishing up the wall of the first floor. But yeah, especially with the guys, they had a lot of work. I mean, in terms of like, I'll say whenever they move material to the first floor, this is one of the hard in terms of the labor side of things. It's one of the hardest things that they do, because they don't have a machine that can assist them to move, especially moving the cement on top of the roof, and so on top of the first floor slab, and obviously moving the river, the building sand, the river sand, and obviously the water and stuff like that, and obviously the bricks. I think the bricks, there was a lot of work in doing so that to get another team that can deal with the moving the bricks to the first floor. But yeah, the guys, they're finishing up the wall plate, the first floor wall plate and stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, that's the progress. So yeah, guys, I just want to mention today's video sponsor. This video is sponsored by SWT Trading Enterprise. So the guys specialize in building, foundation, slab installation, and also roofing, and they also plaster as well. So if you're looking to build yourself a new home or a new house, or if you want to renovate, you can contact them on the description below. I'll put the contact details on the description below. If you're looking to renovate or maybe to build a new home, the guys got you covered.
Looking to build a new house or renovate your current home? Look no further. SWT Trading Enterprise is here to assist you. We specialize in building, foundation laying, slab install, roofing, and plastering. We are located in GIYANI, BUNGENI, ELIM. Contact us now for a low quote at 076 444 2209 or alternatively at 083 533 344.
So in this section of the video, I'm just showcasing you the front view of the house. As you can see, guys, the house is looking beautiful. You can see once they install the pillars or maybe the columns, it's just look amazing. And obviously love how they design the beams. The beams just look so straight. Yeah, it just looks so beautiful. So obviously this is the front view of the house. It's looking so amazing. It's looking so beautiful. I'm in love with it, and I love the fact that the contractor or the builder make it exactly the way it was designed on the 3D design or on the house plans, exactly the way it is. How he designed the way we were supposed to put the folding doors, the main bedroom. You can see where the corner beams and stuff like that. So yeah, love that. Love how he did it with exactly the way it's supposed to be on the plan. Exactly, it just produces the exact. So on this section of the video, I'm just gonna show you the view from the ground. I'm gonna start with show you the back side of the house. As you can see, wow, the wall, the first floor wall plates completed. It's done. The guys have already installed the pillars. They have done the beams. Yeah, and the house is quite looking beautiful. I'm amazed about the design of this house. I think it's one of the best design ever. And obviously it's looking good. Actually, it's looking beautiful, and I love the way that the fact that the contractor or the builder is making sure that the same thing which is happening on the house, on the house plan, it's being done correctly. So this is exactly the same thing which is on the house plan. And when I look at the 3D design, obviously I'll do a video for that, showing you guys my 3D design plan for the house. But yeah, it's looking exactly the way it is. So yeah, guys, if you're looking to want to build a house, you can contact this guy. This guy built the way it is on the plan, on the 3D design and stuff like that. But the only thing that we did change here or did modify on this house, it was just the main bathroom window, which is the corner window. It was a normal window, and then I changed it to a corner window since I saw the ground floor or maybe the ground floor corner window of the house. I was like, damn, I need that corner window in my main bedroom. So I was like, okay, the only thing that we're gonna change, because that one didn't come with a plan. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that we changed on this house plan. So yeah, and then obviously, yeah, the corner window looks so amazing, and yeah, it's loony. Okay, I'm just gonna move on to the first floor, and obviously from inside the house, as you can see, I'm climbing the staircase or the ladder. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just climbing. Yeah, these are my main staircase for now. Yeah, so I'm just, as you can see, guys, I'm climbing them and obviously going on the first floor. Yeah, but yeah, the house inside, it looks nice. Obviously this is the main bedroom. Obviously the side of the garage, the ground floor is the garage. Obviously here it's the balcony. It's a corner balcony and also a main bedroom. Obviously it has a main closet and a main bathroom, like as I mentioned. The corner window, I'm in love with it, guys. If you want to build a house and then you're thinking of doing a corner window, just go for it. Don't regret it. Go for it. The corner window is one of the best things that it can make your house look so beautiful. Like I can imagine when they put the aluminum windows here. Yeah, I can imagine if they put those, those glasses with the in tinted black. So I wanna put that kind of a design. So yeah, I can imagine once it's complete, maybe once there's a paint, plastered paint, and obviously that aluminum window with a tinted glass. But yeah, if you want to go for the corner window, don't think twice. Just go for it. The corner window is one of the best things that can make your house look so beautiful. But yeah, guys, obviously this is obviously the first floor inside of the house, the inside view. Yeah, so it's quite good. Everything's perfect the way it is. The rooms are accordingly, and obviously the space. Love the space between the private lounge or the pajama lounge with the staircase. But yeah, and then obviously the 2-bedroom at that side, and obviously the office area or the study, and obviously the bathroom. But yeah. So yeah, guys, if you watch up until to the end of this video, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. So I'm just closing this vlog now. As you can see, I'm just stepping down from the stairs. As you can see, the stairs that we're using, just the main one. It's not the real staircase. Yeah, it's just a ladder actually. Yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for watching up until the end of the video. Much appreciated. And then obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please guys consider to subscribe. I provide nice content for the